With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is statement first is tendency of salt of group second getting hydrated increases down the group. Statement second is alkali metal salt have less tendency to get hydrated than group second salts. Statement third is hydration of salts occur due to imbalance size of cation and anion. And here are the options. We have to tell that which statement is true and which is false. So here is the solution. We know that group second have alkaline earth metal. In the salts of these metals, the first element of group second is beryllium salt is BeCl2, then MgCl2, CaCl2, SrCl2, BeCl2. So we have to check the hydration of these compounds. First of all, we should know about the term hydration. In hydration of any species, water molecules surround that species. This is known as the hydration. We know that if in a group, as we move down the group, the number of shells increases. Therefore, attraction between nucleus and the outermost electron decreases. Therefore, size increases. So, as we move down the group, the size increases. Here, in these salts, the anions are same. So, we are talking about the cations only. So, as we move down the group, the size of cation also increases. Like beryllium plus 2, Mg plus 2, calcium plus 2, strontium plus 2, and barium plus 2. Here, the size of cation also increases as we move down the group, which is increases in this manner. So here we can see that the positive charge density is in small area in beryllium plus 2. Therefore, it attracts more H2O molecules. As smaller is the size of cation, more is the tendency to attract water molecules. Therefore, beryllium has smaller size of cation, so therefore it attracts more water molecules. So now we'll check our statement that the tendency of salt of group second getting hydrated increases down the group. This is false because beryllium cation have the smaller size and smaller size have more tendency to attract the water molecule. Therefore, the hydration of beryllium plus 2 ion is maximum, and as we move down the group, it decreases. Therefore, the statement first is false. Now we will move to the statement second. That we know that the alkali metal salts are LiCl, NaCl, KCl, RbCl, and ScCl. We know that in group first, as we move down the group, the size increases, and the reason is the same as we have given in the above. But here we have to compare the salt of alkali metal with alkaline earth metal. So we will take LiCl and BeCl2. So on here we can say that we know that in a period, as if we move from left to right, the atomic size decreases because the electron enters in the same shell, but the proton increases, therefore the nuclear charge increases, so atomic size decreases. So from here we can say that the size of cation, so therefore we can say that the size of the cations of alkali metal and alkaline earth metal also decreases on moving from left to right. And now from here we know that as the smaller is the size of cation, hydration will be more. Therefore, the alkaline earth metal salts have high hydration than the alkali metal salts. But here now in LiCl there is one Cl and BeCl2, we have two Cl2. So from here we can say that larger is the size of anion, it has more tendency to attract the H atom of water molecule. Here the charge density is spreaded in more area, so it has more tendency to attract H of water molecule. So here in BeCl2 the size of cation is small and size of anion is large, therefore it has more hydration than LiCl2. So the statement second is the alkali metal salts have less tendency to get hydrated than the group second salt is true. Now we'll move to the statement third, that the hydration of salts occur due to imbalance size of cation and anion. Now we'll move to the statement third. We know that the size of cation should be small. So if the size of cation is small, hydration will be more. And you know about the size of anion, as we have discussed in statement second, that the size of anion should be large. If the size of anion is large, the hydration will be more. Therefore, there is an imbalance in size of cation and anion, that the cation should be of small size and the anion should be of large size. So the statement third is the hydration of salts occur due to imbalance of size of cation and anion is also true. So the correct option is option 4. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.